This is Biotronix Class 4 Physiotherapy laser. The power of the laser is 10 watt, not in the milliwatt, it is 10 watt, and the wavelength is 980 nanometer. So this is the Class 4 laser, not the Class 3, it's the Class 4 advanced latest technology laser. And you can see this is the laser device, the main unit. This is the key on or off, and this is the probe, this is the emergency switch. This is the probe applicator. You can see this is the 10 watt diode. You can see the quality of the product. This is the switch, and this is the length of the thing. So the doctor can use, if the patient is away from the device, the same length can be used. So you can see, and these are the attachment. This is the lens attachment. You can see the quality. And this is the attachment which can be plug over here like this. And if the doctor wants to use the patient, because it is a high intensity laser, high power laser, so that will generate heat. So the if doctor wants to use the same away from the body, so same can be used like this with that attachment. So this was the brief introduction of the probe and all, and this is the protection, eye protection goggles for patient and doctor. You can see the quality of the product of the goggles, and this is the 800 and 1100 nanometer up to 1100 nanometer protecting goggles. And this is the carry bag for the goggles. You can see the quality, and the USB cable, and this is the carry box of device as well as for the accessories. So you can see this is the aluminum box. You can see the quality of the product. This can also be used as stationary one like this. You need to open the same, put all the accessories and the equipment. This is a thick layer, layer protective device. Aluminum one also, and or you can carry the same from there to there. You can carry it from this handle also, and you can carry from this handle also. So there are two handles. Also there are wheels at the base to move the same, and this handle can also be used to move the same, like this. So you can see the quality of the box itself. You can see the quality of the probe and the laser itself. You can see the quality of the both goggles and the bag and everything. Now I will show the quality of the laser. This is the 10 watt laser, 980 nanometer class 4 laser. Now I will show you by operating the same. There is a switch, interlock switch bit behind the same. That interlock switch I will show you. I have already plugged in the switch. You can see this is the interlock switch. This switch is a connectivity between the laser and the diode probe. So in all the lasers the switch is there. So you have to put the switch behind the device to ensure that laser can be used. Without that switch you won't be able to use the laser. So I have put the interlock switch. Now I have already plugged in the cable. I am switching on the device. You can see Biotronix and it's loading. High power laser therapy system. You can see E key is indication over here. So I just on the key, the alarm light will go off. Now the device is ready to use. E key symbol will be gone. And these are the 10 treatment protocols. You can see cervical, thoracic, lumbar, shoulder, knee, hip, wrist, ankle, elbow and foot. So you can see so you can see the parameters, and now I will give you the demo of the device. I will use the same on my hand. I will select any of the like I will select the elbow section. It's highlighted here. Now I will confirm and I will go to the elbow section. You can see the power input value is here. You can input power from between 1 to 10 watt. and like I'm putting the power as 8 watt. Confirm. It's 8 watt now, and timer I can change according to my treatment need, like 10 minutes I have selected, and this is the elbow section I have selected. Energy bar, when I will use the laser, it will be shown over here, and this is the continuous mode. So also there is a pulse mode. Continuous mode, the pulse width and pulse delay, there is no role in the same. But if I select the pulse mode, I can vary the pulse width and I can vary the pulse delay. Like I press the same, I put the 14 as a value, I put the 30 as a value. So I can adjust the pulse width and pulse delay, but I'm using the same in the continuous mode. So I have selected the power as 8 watt. Now I will show you the demo of the device. Before showing the same, I will wear the protection goggles because it is a high intensity laser, high power laser. So protection goggles is necessary. So always wear the same before using the same. Also to the patient and also to the doctor. So now I'm going to give you the demo of the device. I just take the prop. You can see the prop. This is the prop. This is the switch. Now you can see standby. I will select and laser will be ready, and it will be giving me the laser, but laser is not giving me the power I need for the treatment. When I will press that button, it will go from the standby mode to the laser mode. So standby mode is this. I'm not getting any input or no power. The laser is coming out from the diode, but not the value of the wattage I have selected. So when I will press that switch, I will get the power. Within the 1 or 2 seconds, I have started feeling the heat of the device. So I keep on rotating because I have selected 8 watt. 8 watt is quite high. So I will keep on rotating. If I will focus on a point, I will feel the more heat on that point. So this is I'm feeling too much heat now. So I'm just, because I don't have any injury, so I'm just switching it off. And now I will show you the intensity, not on my hand, but on the paper with the black print on it. And you will see that I have already burned the paper a lot. I have burned everything on the same. You can see T is there, and O is also there. So I will put the laser on the same, and you will see within the seconds, within the 2 or 3 seconds, it will start burning more. I've taken the probe out again, and you can see T currently is the standby mode, and now I am switching it on. I switch it on, and you can see the smoke coming out, and this is the burning. You can see it's burning now. Sorry, and so you can see that I have paper is burning, so the intensity is quite high because I have put the same 8 watt, and you can see that I can also use that if the patient feels a high intensity and the doctor wants to give more power, so the doctor can use the same and can use the same away from the patient hand or skin, like this. So I am feeling the heat also, and I am getting the power also, but the laser is quite away from my hand, and I am getting the effect doctor wants to provide. Now switching it off, removing the frame. Now I am putting the lens attachment. You can see. And this is in the standby mode. Now I'm feeling the heat now, and the laser beam is coming out from the lens. So this is how effective that laser is. I have shown you the demo on the paper. Within the 1 or 2 seconds, I have started feeling right because it is a hot laser, not the cold laser. It's a class 4 laser, 980 nanometer and 10 watt power. So 1 to 10 watt you can select. 980 nanometer is the wavelength, and there are 10 treatment protocols already fitted in the same, so you can use the same. And this is a quality product. Everything, each and everything is quality made product. And while other in the markets are lower in the quality, the props and everything, this is the quality product, and the diode will give you the 10 watt power exactly. It is promising. So this is the demo for the device, and now I am putting it from standby to normal and switching it off, and we go back. And thank you for watching the demo. Hope that is quite informative.